Code style is very important, and for this purpose, let's add ESLint and Prettier to our nestjs project. Let's add the following dev dependencies: ESLint Prettier, ESLint config Prettier, eslint-plugin Prettier, TypeScript ESLint parser, TypeScript ESLint-plugin, and the final one is specifically for nestjs, which is ESLint-plugin nestjs-typed. After installing the necessary dev dependencies, we should create a config file for Prettier. The file name should be .prettierrc.js. After creating the file, let's add the basic config, which you can find in the description under the video. Then, it would be useful to have script to format by Prettier all the files in our project. The script you can find in the description. After, let's create a config file directly for ESLint. File name is .eslintrc.js. I'll attach a base config for the file under the video. Next, I suggest adding a script for linting all our files in a repository. This script for ESLint you could find under the video too. And finally, let's check whether our scripts work. Firstly, let's check Prettier and ESLint. Looks like it works. Thanks for the attention.